Wow, that dish looks amazing. I want to be like that chef, creating delicious food and making other people happy, said Jake. Jake, that dream was beautiful. But remember, to achieve it, you have to work hard and never give up, said Mom. I promise, Mom. I will study cooking diligently and become the best chef. From then on, Jake started experimenting in the kitchen, trying different recipes and creating his own dishes. Even though it was full of obstacles and failures, he never gave up. He continued to study and practice, his determination getting stronger to achieve his dreams. 10 years later, in front of a famous restaurant. Can I work here? I want to learn from the best chefs and develop my skills. You still have minimal experience, son. But your determination is strong. Okay, I'll give you a chance. Jake worked hard at the restaurant, studying every technique and recipe with passion. He worked long hours without complaint, always hungry for knowledge and experience. His patience and persistence brought him rapid progress. After several months, the cooking competition arrived. This is a golden opportunity to show my talent and achieve big dreams. I can't fail. In the midst of tension and pressure, Jake cooks with passion and creativity. He pours his heart and soul into every dish. Despite facing various obstacles and tough competition, he was not afraid. Finally, the announcement of the winner arrived. I am proud to announce Chef Jake as the winner of this competition. Thank you very much. This is a dream come true. I will never forget this long journey. Jake's victory in international competitions paved the way for him to achieve resounding success. He opened his own restaurant, became the star of a famous cooking show, and inspired many people with his story of a life full of struggle and dedication. Chef Jake's story is clear proof that with hard work, determination and never giving up, big dreams can be achieved. For all those who want to achieve their goals, never hesitate to move forward and continue learning. Remember, behind every success, there are extraordinary struggles and sacrifices.